All right, here we are with our 6x6x48 golf club box. We use it for many things: carpet, golf clubs, fishing poles, whatever you have that's long and that can fit into a 6x6 box. When making this box, it comes flat. See how flat this box is? So sometimes it can be kind of hard to like open up. So you really gotta squish it, and then it folds out flat like this into a square box. Now we're just gonna fold the flaps, grab a tape gun, a big piece of tape, flip it over. Usually you put something in there, but then once it's all done, look at that nice strong box, 6x6x48 for your golf clubs or anything else that's long and needs good protection. There you go.